Welcome to my review of the VEVOR mini lathe. Let's start off with all of the tools and stuff before we get on to the actual lathe. So first we have a sanding plaque thing. So you take your sandpaper that comes with, it comes with like 10 sheets, and you stick it on there. It's like Velcro, and yeah, you can take, and then you can take it off easily too. So you stick this right to the mouth of it. You got some smaller Allen wrenches, this for the saw and or sander thing, more Allen wrenches, the chuck, the actual lathe chisel, and you got the instruction manual, which weirdly doesn't even say much. And then the guard for the saw. And now we will get on to the actual lathe. So we have this right here, which moves back and forth, and you take the Allen wrenches and tighten and loosen it. You got the guide. You got where you put in the chuck and put the chuck in right here. And this screws into the piece of wood you are turning. You got switch right here. The thing weighs, I would say, 3 pounds, I guess. You got a cord that plugs into the back right here. Then it runs to right here, and you have the option for, there's 7 speeds. You got low, and then all the way up to high. You got the cord plugs into a drop cord or wall. Pretty much it. I'll first turn this piece of cedar. So I'll put some here, and then you want to drill a little hole in there, and you'll just use like a 1/8 inch drill bit, I think, whatever that screw is. And then just a little bit to get it started screwing in. And you just take this and screw it in. All the way to the front of it. There we go. All the way to the front. And then now you can push this till it gets to the end. Tighten it. And then you can start turning. So just press your on switch. You can turn it to the speed you want. You can start out low and then work your way up to high. I like the second speed. And then just start shaving it down. Cedar is very soft, so it's a good one to start with. Just slow is the key. You can move your up. This is high speed right now. When you've got it to a good shape, you can start sanding it. You can see it smoothed out really well. But that's pretty much it on the lathe. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you on the next one.